What's good everyone, welcome back to another video on the YouTube channel, and this video is going to be a live trade that I took on USOIL. I give you guys a full walkthrough of why I'm taking the trade, what I'm expecting for price to do, and where I am expecting price to have an expansion, and especially what time of day. I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown of USOIL before I send you over to the live trade. As you can see, this is where I bought long and this is where I squared the position. This is because I was in the wrong position size. And this is where I bought again. I bought inside of this fair value gap and I exited right here. And on the 1 hour chart, you guys can see that this is a clear market maker buy model. This is the original consolidation, what we cleared right here. So this was the buy side liquidity that I was targeting. And I was going off a market maker model framework. If my video is not already out yet with T trades where I go over market maker models, it will be coming out in the month of May, where I will be going over a full depth guide into market maker models, and it will be completely free on his YouTube channel. So there will be a link to that down below if the video is not already out yet. And a special announcement about my Discord that I have dropped with Matt Lober and Nick Does Futures, where we are trying to build a community which is a lot different to others, and we have a lot of plans for the future. So there will be a link to our website down below as well, and I would recommend you guys checking that out if you like my content and want to learn more. That's the only service that I will ever offer, and if you want to learn from there, there will be a link to that down below. And without further ado, I'll let you guys watch the live video, and in the comments down below, let me know if you have any questions. What's good everyone, this is another live trade that I am in right now. And I am trading USOIL, and I longed right here. And my take profit is into these up close candles. And if I draw these lines out in time, this is the position that I'm in. We made this fair value gap that we traded into and we traded away. So I am expecting a New York session for us to keep expanding higher, and we will trade into the buy side liquidity above this high. However, I'm looking to take profit once we get into this area right here. And as you can see, we traded into this down close candle right here, and we traded away from 50%. And in 1 minute, this 15-minute candle is going to close, and I do believe that we will start to push higher into the buy side. And then I waited for London session. This is where I bought long, and now I'm in the trade, and I am expecting us to trade into the buy side as we get into New York session. So over here, this was the low risk buy. Then we had the first distribution, and the silver bullet formed here, and now we have another area of reaccumulation for us to start trading higher into the buy side liquidity. In my opinion, I don't think oil will have any retracements lower. If we have any retracements, it will be into these down close candles. But this is what I'll be looking for, price to trade lower, and then we start trading higher into the buy side. As we are trading lower here, I would expect us to trade into 50%, then we start trading higher. And this is our proportion candle. So now, as you guys can see, we've traded into the proportion block, and I'm looking for us to start trading higher. As we get into 8 AM and 7:30, that's when I think price will most likely start trading higher into the buy side liquidity. Now we've traded into the proportion candle and we are getting closer to 8 AM. Ideally, I would like to see us not break past mean threshold of this down close candle and we just continue higher. And as I said before, I would expect price to start trading higher, and that's what we're doing right now. I do believe we should continue higher with no resistance. And now we have the new hourly candle being printed and price is traded away from the proportion candle. From here, I would like us to start trading higher now, and we will take out the buy side liquidity. And now we've traded into this fair value gap. This fair value gap should support price to start trading higher. And this is where we can start accumulating, and if we trade lower, it is to go higher and into this area that I am going to take profit. All I'm looking for price to do right now is for us to close above this fair value gap. This is a bearish fair value gap, and I want to see this green up close candle close outside of this orange shaded area. Right now, as this is a bearish PD array, you can see how we are having a reaction away from it. I would still expect us to trade higher. However, this bearish PD array is causing some resistance, and we have this up close candle as well. And now we're expanding outside of the fair value gap, and we have about 2 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. And I would like us to close above this orange shaded area. And now we've closed outside of the orange shaded area. So price can come lower, we can come back into here, accumulate, then trade higher. However, I would like to see an expansion higher now. And now we've traded back inside of this orange shaded area. So this is used as another area of accumulation. And this is treated as an inversion level. This is where a bearish PD array fails, and we are now using it as a bullish PD array. So this is where old selling took place, and it turned into new buying now. And now we're getting closer to my target, and this trade was a 1 to 3.5. We've got a tiny little push left, and I will close the position. So when it's like this, when price is so close to hitting your take profit and we trade away, the best thing you can do here is just wait. Because price is eventually going to trade up higher, it is going to take your full take profit. And when we have these retracements like this, price trades away from your take profit or an area that you were looking for. This makes traders who are new to the market or don't know what is going on to start thinking maybe they are wrong. However, I know I'm right, price is going to trade higher, and we've just missed my take profit by half a pip, but we are eventually going to take it out, and the best thing to do is just wait. As we make this fair value gap into 830, we can trade down lower, and then we can expand up higher. So this is having confidence in your system and knowing what the market is going to do. If you don't know what the market is going to do, 9 times out of 10, you will be revenge trading, or you will be very emotional when you're looking at your trades. And there you guys go, I'm fully out of the position, and we have taken the full profit. And as I said before, when you know where the market is likely to go, even if price trades away from your take profit, there's no need to panic. So I hope you guys found this another live trade useful. I do have plenty of live trades on my Twitter page, and I am uploading them on my YouTube channel as well. And if you made it this far into the live video, I want to thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and follow.